Look at the tornado sirens going off right now. From the original Country Top 40 Studios deep in the heart of Texas, I am the gatekeeper of this place. I will not let a tornado touch the CT40 Studios. Y'all hear that? Can you kind of hear the sirens? So when there's a tornado warning, that means that one has been spotted and that one has hit the ground. So I stand here. Fitz versus a tornado. Bring it. The Country Top 40 Studios in the state of Texas that Bob Kingsley built. This is the house that Kingsley built. This is sacred ground. So they're not coming around. All right. I grew up with this my whole life. In Texas as a little kid, starting from kindergarten all the way on. Once a week, or was it once a month, we would have the tornado sirens go off throughout the entire city. And we would leave our class and we would get in the halls and we'd all have to lean up against our lockers, bend down and put our hands over our heads and our neck, just like that. That was my life. And then later on in life, when I was a scared little kid of tornadoes, my dad taught me to embrace the beauty of them. We would actually go chase tornadoes, watch funnel clouds, spot tornadoes, take bets on whether or not if they're actually going to touch down, hit the ground or not, or if it was just going to be a funnel cloud. But you just got to learn about them. Yes, they're very scary, but the more you learn about them, the more okay you'll be. Think about it, we wouldn't have all these beautiful trees and grass if these tornadoes did not blow the seeds everywhere. Listen to these sirens still going off. I do hope everyone is safe. Not only just North Texas, this is happening across the country. Tornado warnings, tornadoes all across the Midwest, now moving into the Northeast. Tornado Alley, which used to be sort of North Texas, Oklahoma, is now slowly moving to the Northeast, and more touchdowns in the Midwest. And now it's getting pretty calm. When it gets calm, that's when you're like, okay, what's up? But we good. Just got an alert that says, take shelter now in the basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. That's great. So if you're watching this, I hope you're doing that. If you're in North Texas or anywhere across the country going through these severe storms, because it is happening all across the United States, be safe, y'all. And just educate yourself, about the tornadoes, where you won't have as much anxiety. God bless you.